Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make smooth transitions between videos, video clips. So first of all, you want to add some keyframes to every single one of those at the start and at the end. So when you are at the start of the video, you want to go ahead here on video, basic, and then you will see blend option. You're going to enter add a keyframe. You will then drag it to the end of the video and again add a keyframe, but you will make it to 50% like that. Let's drag it down. At the start, add 100%, and at the end you're gonna add 50. And the another one is also 100 at the start and 50 at the end. Now you will want to go ahead and add a white background. So go ahead and add it right here from the start till the end of the video. And now you want to add a animation, which is fade out. So you're going to click on out and you're going to choose fade out, and you want to choose the option, the duration. Basically, you can actually choose through the whole video. And you also want to go ahead to the video again, to the basic, and you want to choose the blend as a overlay. If it's too bright for you, you want to do the opacity for around 30%. And now it should look way better. We can also do even less, maybe 10%. So let's do that. And now, as you can see, it's quite smooth. Now you want to do the same to the other videos. So you will copy and paste it and make it as long as the video is. Now you want to go to effects right here and find the effect, which would be a blurry effect. Now let's try blurry focus in the opening and closing effects, and let's make the blur let's leave it to 25 and make it very quick. Now this is how it will look like. It will basically start at the video start. Now you want to do the same for the other video, so let's copy and paste it. Again, make it the same length, and now let's play the video. As you can see, this is how it looks like.